Candidate number 10 is Miss Harleen Nicole Budol, who hails from Magdalena City. A 19 years old scholar, a proud student of STI Santa Mesa, taking up BS Tourism Management. Wearing a silver gray tassel gown created and designed by Adonis Creer. And she believes in the saying that always look to the brighter side. That's candidate number 10, Miss Harleen Nicole Budol.